In this video, we're going to check how you can connect your Platformly account to your Quokka account. So you'll find it at quokka.io, and what they do is they allow you to sync your contacts, for example, people who haven't opened an email that you've sent them, and market to them on either Facebook or Google Ads, for example, or Twitter. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Platformly account after you've signed up and get your API key. And then you're going to come back and you're going to log into Quokka. When you log in, you see this is going to be your onboarding page. Let's bring the tools together. So email provider, Quokka, and the retargeting placement. So when you scroll down, you'll see connect email provider that you're relying on. And you'll come down and you'll see here's Platformly. You'll click connect. And then from here, you're just going to paste in your API key, which I've already copied. Click connected. So, okay, now what I want to do is I want to choose which account I'm going to connect at this stage. So let's say I want to connect the Platformly account, and I'll click connect. So you'll have your project there. Okay. Now it's saying that they've connected these two. Okay, so that's now done. Once we've done that, then the next step is to connect our retargeting placement. So now we will scroll down to retargeting placements. They support these three at the moment. So let's connect Facebook. Okay. Now choose which Facebook ad account I'm going to use. All right, so now I come back, now this is done. And you see that this continue button is now opened up. All right, and then we'll choose which plan we want. And it's that simple. And then we've got our Quokka account set up. And so now I've gone ahead and completed my account setup. And we can see that it's tracking the emails that we've sent out. You can see how many have opened out of a total of how many received it. So then what it's going to do is this is going to update with retargeting, and it's going to create these retargeting custom audiences for us that we can then go and target with ads for our specific campaigns. So then there's a track new campaign button that you can click, and you'll be able to add your other emails in there that you wanted to track.